Charlotte's Web. Fern loved the little piglet from the moment she saw him. She named him Wilbur and promised to take care of him. Wilbur grew and grew until he was too big to stay with Fern. So he moved to a barn with other animals. In the barn, Wilbur heard a scary secret. He might not get to stay forever. He needed a friend. Then Wilbur met Charlotte, a wise grey spider who spun beautiful webs. Charlotte promised to help him. Charlotte started to weave magical words into her web, like some pig, terrific, radiant, and humble. Soon, everyone came to see the special pig. People from far and wide visited Wilbur. They were amazed by the words in Charlotte's web and thought he was a very special pig. Charlotte's webs kept Wilbur safe, and he didn't have to leave the barn. But Charlotte was getting very tired. Before she said goodbye, Charlotte left a precious gift, an egg sack full of her babies. Wilbur promised to take care of Charlotte's children. He was thankful for his friend who had saved him. When the babies hatched, Wilbur was no longer alone. He had new friends and a heart full of Charlotte's love. And so, the barn became a place of friendship and love, thanks to a little pig and a wise, gentle spider. The end.